It's Dana Lynette. Thank you for stopping by my channel. So as you can see, I'm at it again. This is technically the third time that I've tried adding curly extensions to the end of my DIY Microlocs. Let's see, the video just before this one on my channel was the first set that I really tried. So we'll just say I've tried twice. Once I did in 2018, but I just put a few pieces in. But yeah, this is really pretty and I like it. However, last time, and like I said, on my channel, it's the video before this, and it'll be in my Microlocs playlist. I tried it with synthetic curls, and the hair was pretty, but after just a short while, the synthetic hair started looking really raggedy, and so I took it down. I may have worn those extensions twice. I mean, for 2 weeks. I'm not sure. But this set, which I just put in, this is video you're watching me once I've had it fully installed, kind of trimming it up and trying to define the curls. This time I decided I was going to use a human hair blend. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I grabbed a pack of hair by a brand that I know nothing about. I'm not a big human hair person. I don't know. Let me just outright say I don't recommend, I repeat, I do not recommend human hair blends because apparently those are a blend of synthetic hair and human hair, and it's not acting like human hair. Like you'll see when I spray it with water and add mousse and try and define it, the curls don't respond much. But it is pretty. I do like it. I added longer pieces this time, as you can see. So I'm not a pro. Like, I'm not a pro. So these hair cutting skills, don't judge me. But anyway, so I used my water mister bottle, which is broken, but I make it work. And that mousse, and like I say, it didn't do much but wet it. I mean, it was wet, it was a little longer, and then when it dried, it went back to this froed out kind of look. But anyway, so I will let you see what I'm doing here, and I'll be back to talk more about it. And actually, I think I'll do a separate review. I've got a, on December 3rd will be my my official 4-year lock anniversary. So I'll be posting a video about that, and maybe I'll review this hair then. I'm not sure, but you got a review coming, and you've got a lock update coming. So if you have any questions, leave them below. Again, I do like the hair. Oh, I should say that when I installed these, this time I did it by using a latch hook crochet needle and actually pulling the curly hair extensions through the bottom of my lock and then braiding down and then tying a knot. So I feel like these are more secure than the last set that I did, because in the last set I only braided them. But yeah, this is a look. I don't really know how to style it well. I need to play more with styles. Maybe I'll do a styling video if I can figure it out. But you don't really need to style. I mean, it's just pretty. And I like to rock it with the braid out. So I braid my hair and kind of put the curly ends into like a knot or lock knot or something like that. And of course, when I wash my hair, I do sort of a braiding banding method so that the extensions don't fall out in the shower. But yeah, it's all good. It's fun. It's gorgeous. It gives you instant length, and it's a lot of fun. Will I do the style again? Probably not more than one more time. If I try it again, I'll try it with curly human hair, 100% human hair, and see how I like that. But it just takes so long because I have over 200 locks. It takes a long time to install, and it's not fun. So if I do it again, like I say, it'll just be once more. I think that's all I have to say for now. So you all enjoy the video. Let me know if you have questions, and I'll be posting real soon because we've got that 4-year update coming up. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I wanted to pop back on here and let y'all know this is the first thing that I did to my hair. I styled it and I need to go to church, so I put like half up, half down with a hair clip. I do recognize that wasn't cute. But here I am at a friend's birthday party and kind of shows you the finished product, and I think it looks good. Thanks for watching.